Hi, in this video we will discuss how to select an active license when using PIX4Dmatic. Sometimes a user cannot access the active license even though the license has been redeemed. This may be due to PIX4Dmatic still accessing an expired license or a trial license. Reselecting an active license in PIX4Dmatic allows it to access the current active license. This also resolves locked icons in photogrammetry or survey workflows for users who have recently switched license types, Standard, Analyst, or Pro. To select a currently active license, open PIX4Dmatic and log into the account associated with the organization that has the active license. In the top right corner, click the user icon. In the drop-down menu, select Organizations and Licenses. In this window, you can now see all the organizations you belong to and the available licenses of each organization. Select the license that still has available seats. Click the Apply button. You are now ready to use PIX4Dmatic. We hope this tutorial video on selecting an active license in PIX4Dmatic was helpful. See you in the next one.